Hey Indy, sit here with Killa Dent again. Got another customer here of ours. This is Richard, and this is Richard's 1975 Ford Bronco. So Richard, nice to meet you. Thanks for choosing Killa Dent Removal. Can I ask you how you heard about us?
Straight up on the internet, and then also the company that helped build this, Wilburn's Custom, they had mentioned Killa as well as a quality place to get dent removal done.
Very cool, very cool. Were you happy with what we did?
Definitely. Thank you very much. It's truly artistry from where it was a couple hours ago. Thank you.
Very good. It's a beautiful truck. It was a pleasure working on it. Would you recommend us to other people?
I will be recommending to other people.
Perfect, perfect. That's what we like to hear. Well, I know it's cold out here, so we'll end this quickly. And thank you very much, and nice to meet you.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.